Big BJP response on this battle between Tejashwi versus Prashant Kishore. Bihar Deputy CM has also shared his views, says character matters, not qualification. Even the BJP has countered Prashant Kishore and has cited the example of Rabri Devi.
बिहार के अंदर श्रीमती राबड़ी देवी भी बिहार चला चुकी हैं। वो तो 9वीं पास है। राबड़ी देवी भी बिहार चला चुकी है। राजनीति का विडंबना है कि जितनी गड़बड़ी और खामी आया है बहुत सारे पढ़े लिखों की ही देन है। जितने करप्शन और भ्रष्टाचार में पढ़े लिखे लोगों का भी योगदान बड़ा है। इसलिए शिक्षा और पढ़ाई और ज्ञान पर नहीं, चरित्र पर बात उठनी चाहिए। जो चरित्रवान है वही समाज का सेवक और सेवा का भाव रखेगा।
We have Saurabh joining us on the broadcast with more details. That was a very interesting reaction coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister. And he says, qualification se zyada charitra. So character matters more than qualification. It's very interesting response.
Yes, and he has taken a midway because neither Prashant Kishore is in the favor of BJP. He is talking about a different party altogether, apart like unlikely BJP or RJD or Congress. So he wants to build a party which is different from all other party existing in the state. So the BJP, giving a reaction on this, taking a midway, saying that it's not Prashant Kishore's fault and he should not speak on qualification of netas. And on the other hand, he is also very wittily, slamming the RJD, saying that even Rabri Devi used to rule the state. So the character of the leaders matters to the people, and the people understand very well the character of the political parties in the state. Remember, Prashant Kishore has been attacking Tejashwi Yadav, and this attack has come afresh because he is going to form a party in just a month from now, and on 2nd of October he is going to form a new party. And because the vote base of RJD is very strong as far as Dalits and Muslims are concerned, Prashant Kishore is looking at that vote bank because remember, 75% of the population of Bihar constitute SC/STs, Dalits and backward class. So the attack, the jibe coming out from Prashant Kishore is obvious, and he is attacking RJD altogether because RJD is also planning a Jan Samvad Yatra after Jan Vishwas Yatra that was held this year, which was a huge success, although it didn't turn up well in the Lok Sabha elections. But because the assembly elections is coming in next year, the Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj is attacking RJD and trying to lure the vote bank of RJD.